Well, guys, we're just testing my braveness again this morning as we got all suited up and sat down in a race car. We have Jake Bitker here with us, who's with the Norman County Raceway. Now, tell me, Jake, how fast does this go? How fast are we going to go this morning?
Well, we're going to try to get you over 90 miles an hour this morning. We got races tonight, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and school buses on Saturday night racing, but it'll be a good, fun time at the fair.
And it's going to be loud. I know that you guys said once you get a whole bunch of race cars, even just one out on the track, it's going to get pretty loud out here.
Yeah, it's going to get loud. I apologize to all the citizens of Ada, but this was Don Merkins' idea.
All right, well, we're getting buckled in, and Kyle and Lisa, once again, Norman County Fair, Wednesday through Saturday, with ending with a big bang of fireworks as we get going here this morning.
Yeah, we might want to move. It's dry out there. After all that, you should deserve a raise.
I can hear you.
How was that?
Oh, holy bejesus. The first one definitely was like your stomach